Mentioned the other day was it's like there's three fractions, okay? And then if you see a number on its own, see the way the tree's on its own? You write 3 over 1. Now the main issue is, now once again, you don't have to get it completely right. You just need to put up enough effort that you don't get a 0. That you make some attempts. You might make some mistakes, that's okay. You're 14 years old. Okay? The main thing is you try to do the steps. Now, the first step is every number on the bottom has to be the same. So, what we're going to do is we're going to turn the 2. Everybody see that 2? What are we going to turn that 2 into? 4. To turn that into a 4, you need to multiply it by 2. But that means you need to multiply the top by 2. And then on the next one, you need to multiply the bottom by 4, which means you need to multiply the top by 4. Did everybody get that far? You sort of have to. We'll find out. 3x over 4 minus 2x over 4 equals 12 over 4. Here's where things get a bit... this one isn't too bad, but other ones get tricky. Now, I think x equals 12 is the right answer, by the way. So, here's what we're going to do. The 4s don't matter because they're the same on both sides. Agreed? So then we just write down 3x minus 2x equals 12. What's 3x take 2x? X equals 12. Is that okay? Okay. Can you all try part 2 now? What number do we turn the 3 and the 2 into? Do you remember? Okay. What number will 3 and 2 divide into? Count up in 3s. Count up in 2s. And you'll see the lowest common multiple is 6. We're going to turn the bottom numbers into the same number. That happens every time. In every question, the bottom numbers always turn into the same. So what you get here then? What you need to multiply 3 by to turn it into 6. So because you multiply the bottom by 2, you have to multiply all of the top by 2 as well. How do you turn 2 into 6? And then if you do that to the bottom, you must do it to the top. Okay, here we go. So multiply it out. So what's 2 times 2x? 2 times 5. And then on the other side, 3 times x. 3 times minus 2. Now, this is all, put down the 6, that there's a 6 on the bottom. Is that okay? And the 6 is on the bottom. Because they're the same number, they don't do anything. They're gone. Now we're going to do stays or goes. You ready? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? Okay. Shh. Now, write them directly underneath. Okay. If it goes, it has to change. So what does 3x change into? Plus 3x changes into? It does indeed. And minus 10 changes into? It does. 4x take 3x. 10 minus 6? 4. Who got? Anybody have an answer for me? What you get? 4. Okay, 6x over a minus 5x over a. Multiply top and bottom by 4. 4 over a. 8's don't matter. And 6x take 5x. Guys, question is, why do I get rid of the 8's? And what we said already was, the way I introduced this topic was x over 7 equals 3 over 7. What can you say about x? 7's are the same, so x must equal. And if I write x equals 3, what I can just do is just get rid of the bottom. And that's the answer. So if the numbers are the same on both sides, it doesn't matter. That's I just showed you there. Okay. Now we're gonna did everybody use 12s? So has everybody written a small 4 top and bottom? 4 multiplied by 3, 12. But 4 has to multiply on top as well. So what do we get? 8x minus 4. There we get 8x minus 4. Yeah? Okay. What? Then, did everybody multiply by 3? And did you get 3x over 12? Okay. And then the last one, did you multiply by 3 again? And you all got 18 over 12. Now, the deal is, what have I always told you guys about this? You're only allowed 2 aside max. How many are on the left side? I don't like that. I need a way to sort that out. What's 8x plus 3x? Now, it's a game of stays or goes. 11x minus 4. Now we get 11x equals 18 plus 4. We got 22. Now, where did the 11 go? Huh? Underneath the 22. 22 over 11. X equals 2. I'll start off. I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 4 to turn it into a 20. What you get when you multiply it by 4? 1 sec. So it's 8x minus 12 all over 20. 1 over 20. Now what you have to do with the 4 on the other side? So multiply by 5. Alright. Is everybody okay to this part? Is it just the switching that's getting everybody? The adding and the switching. Alright. Did you get to this part? So the multiplying at the start as well? Okay. Okay. Step 1. Write everything out again. Just don't include the 20s. Agreed? Step 2. Check both teams. Celtic has 3 players. Rangers has 2 players. You're only allowed 3 players on a team. So you have to look at Celtic's players and go, well, which 2 players can I combine together to make one number? I can't combine 8x with any of those 2 numbers because there's no other x's. So what do? I do minus 12 plus 1. Some people get very mixed up in their head, so I advise you to use a calculator for that. Then do minus 12 plus 1, and what you get? Minus 11. Okay. Now it's a game. Stays or goes, yeah? Okay, J at the back. JD. JD Sports. Now, you ready? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? Stays or goes? So, step 1. Write everything that stays directly underneath where it used to be. Step 2, the goes. Ready? What happens to the 5x when it goes? Turns to a minus 5x. What happens to the minus 11 when it goes? At the back. 8x take 5x. 11 take away 5. Alright. Now, last part. What do I do with the 3? The 3 has to go somewhere. Where do I put it? How do you guys know that I put it underneath? It's a multiplier on the left. Has to be a divider on the right. And the answer is 2.